What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. How long before I get good at boxing? Simple question, very complicated answer, but I'm going to break it down nice and easy for you. But before I do that, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. We just passed 18,000 in the last 9 months, and we're going to continue to grow from here. So if you haven't already done so, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. So back to the question. How long before I get good at boxing? That's perspective to the individual. Your interpretation of good won't be the same as, say, Canelo or Terrence Crawford. So let's start out with the basics. You versus you. How long would it take if you was to split yourself into two different people, put one in the blue corner, one in the red corner? Would it take for you to be able to whoop the day one version of you to the experienced version of you, say after 6 months to a year? I like to use 6 months to a year as a barometer because by that point, you're going to have dialed in a lot of new skills and physical advantages that you just can't naturally bring to the table. You can only learn through experience. Your first day in the boxing gym, you're not going to have your reflexes dialed in. Your distance perception is going to be off. Your accuracy is not going to be 100%. Your skills are deaf. Your fundamentals are going to be way off. So after 6 months to a year, that's when you're going to start really seeing a lot of progress. And it's a case-by-case thing. Some people are exceptional. Some people are slow learners. But bottom line is you'll be able to definitely beat your own ass after 6 months to a year. Considering that 99% of people in this world don't even consistently train in combat sports, you're already going to be putting yourself head above shoulders in a whole nother category from the average person. So if you're in a room full of 1,000 people, and say you're grooming yourself, and this is, again, under the right tutelage, not going to no cardio boxing gym. If you're in a real boxing gym, being groomed to compete with a real coach, you're sparring a few days a week, you're training 5-6 days a week, you're stacking those bricks every day by maintaining a healthy lifestyle outside the gym, and you're doing, all kinds of homework, watching fights, picking up health tips, eating right. Yeah, 6 months to a year, you're going to be a problem. Now, like I said, you ain't going to be fighting on pay-per-view after 6 months to a year. But would you be able to fight maybe in an amateur bout? Absolutely. A 2-minute, 3-round fight for sure. And I'm going to tell you this. If you're, again, in a room full of 1,000 people, I can guarantee you, depending on what room you're in, the majority of them would not make it in the same weight class out of 1 2-minute round with an amateur boxer with 6 months to a year of experience. That first round will be their last round. Guarantee you. So stack those bricks inside and outside the ring. Put 6 months to a year into it. Take a video of yourself before you start training. Take another video of yourself, that 6-month point, then at the year point. You're going to be blown away at the progress. So anyway, I hope that answers your question. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I got some great projects coming out. And DM me at coach.v_ on Instagram. This project is almost done. It's going to be amazing. I just want to make sure it's good for you guys, but you're not going to be disappointed. Till the next time, we up out of here. Out.